Unity programmers, welcome back in my tutorial. Today we are going to learn how we can make moving our agent or character to a position by clicking the mouse. So let's take a quick view of my video which we are going to make. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, so I want that when I click at this point, our character will move to that point. So how can we done this? Or you can say that I want that when I click at the name mesh surface at anywhere, then our character will move to achieve that point. So how can we done this? So for this we need to write a small script here. So just right click on the scene and create a new script here. Rename it. Double click on this. Okay, so we have our script here. First I am going to write our script. After that I will tell you what I am writing here. I access the AI window for create the navigation mesh or surface. So I define the Unity engine.ai. After that, make sure this class name will be same as your script name which you created. I assess the name is agent as the player. That's why I write here the name is agent, the player. Under here, under the word start, player is a variable in which I store the name mesh agent value. So under the void update, I write small function here. The raycast means, so the position of the click is represented by the raycast to represent the camera's views in the form of the laser beam to the object in Unity represented by the ray. So that's why I use here the raycast hit. After this, when you click the mouse at the position of the nav surface, then our player or character will move that click point as a destination. So then our player will move to achieve that destination. So that's what this script allow. Okay, so overall our script allow to assess the position of the click in the nav surface. Okay, so Control S for saving the script and go back to the Unity. Just drag and drop this script into the player. You can see here we have our script here. So Again, just Ctrl S for saving your scene and just press play. You can see here, when I click this point here, you can see that our player will move and achieve this point here. Now I want that the player will move this point. You can see that our player will move to avoid the obstacle. You can see that anywhere of the surface where you want to click, our character will move that point. You can see that. Our script is working perfectly, which we want to do. So in my next video, I will tell you how we can couple the navigation with the animation. Okay, so I hope you will enjoy my video. See you in my next tutorial.